So, are you leaving on a jet plane anytime soon? Remember that old song from the what, 70s, I think? Well, Patty Milligan is here with me. She is the founder of JET Renewal Kit. And more than ever, Patty, equipping our bodies, our immunity, our just giving our bodies the resources they need is more important than ever when we are uh, adding air travel back into our lives.
You're exactly right. And what we know is it's always been a bit stressful because we're in an artificial environment. But even more than that, we know that our hormonal system and our immune system really need to be protected.
So tell our viewers why you invented Jet Renewal Kit and just what it is in a nutshell that will help them have more resilience, more quick recovery so they feel great after a trip. And it doesn't matter how long the trip is either.
No, exactly right. You know, in the clients that I work with, many of them travel actually for a job, whether a professional athlete or an executive or even people in aviation. So what we really found is how do we build back resilience when you land and hit the ground and you can perform whatever that is that you need to do.
Right.
And so that's how we came up with Jet Renewal Kit, was based on my doctorate research. And it really has three components because not only do we want to make sure the saliva stays, which tells our immune system that everything is fine and it can rotate well. It also helps with some immune boost, which is the elderberry. And then lastly, we know we want to detoxify when we finish flying because there's so many different chemicals that we come across and radiation when we're in the air.
So in a nutshell, the kit equips you and you take three different things.
Correct. You take something before you get on the plane, something mid-flight, even if it is an hour flight, and then something when you land.
Okay, so how does somebody get the Jet Renewal Kit so they're equipped, and how many flights are included in each kit?
Exactly. So we packaged a kit to be 5 round trips. So you take a strip on one non-stop flight, one when you return.
Okay.
And it's $59.95. So it's basically about $10. We cover the shipping, and you can get it off our website, jetrenewalkit.com.
And you have a special though for our people.
I do, because we're all family. We all want to support each other during these times, especially for travel. So the promo code is family.
So family, and what discount do they get?
20% off and free shipping.
Well, I've been traveling and being extra careful, but making sure I do take these elements because more than ever, as we've already said, we want to keep that immunity high, our body resilience high. So I really want to encourage you, if you've got air travel in your future, be equipped, be ready for 5 round trips with the Jet Renewal Kit.